Welcome to the video demonstration of creating accessible documents with Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. This video, Reading Order, is a resource contained within the tutorial on making presentations accessible to people with disabilities using Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Let's get started. Correct reading order of slide content promotes the understanding of the content when it is read with assistive technology such as a screen reader. By default, the reading order of a slide is the order in which objects are added to the slide. PowerPoint keeps track of the order that you add and remove objects from a slide. This order is called Z-order. The easiest way to see the Z-order is to look at it in the selection pane. Navigate to the toolbar and locate the Arrange pane. Choose the selection pane. The Z-order is the order of layers from back to front on the slide, with the object furthest back having the lowest Z-order. The lowest Z-order, or number 1, is the first item encountered by assistive technology. Screen reading technology often has difficulty rendering complex layouts correctly if the reading order is not defined in PowerPoint. Let's take a look at our sample presentation. Our first slide appears to be a simple column. Let's turn on our assistive technology to see how it interprets it.
PowerPoint slideshow wwp demo2.pptx how to find wwp programs slide 2 how to find wwp programs 2 complete eligibility questionnaire 1 search for funding opportunities 3 submit application form.
Well, that's not quite right. It read the title, then the slide number, the middle box, top box, and then the bottom box. So we will definitely need to adjust that by using the reorder buttons in the selection pane so that it matches the visually implied reading order. JAWS, the tool that I'm using now, uses the back to front, the Z order, to ascertain how to read the content on the slide. Therefore, the first item read will be the bottom or last item listed in the selection pane. So I'm going to rearrange these items to match the visually implied reading order. We'll want the title to be read first. The slide number we want to be read last. We want the first box to be read second, and box number 3 to be read last. Great. Now let's try it again with our assistive technology.
Slide 2, how to find WWP programs 1 search for funding opportunities 2 complete eligibility questionnaire 3 submit application form.
The tab order also will indicate the order content will be read. The tab order is indicated when the tab key is depressed while in the editing area of PowerPoint. To check the tab order, click the very top left corner of the slide with the mouse, and then press tab on the keyboard to see a rectangle around the first item in the tab order. Every time the tab key is pressed, another item on the slide will become highlighted with the rectangle. The order of the highlighted items is the order in which content will be read by assistive technology. This order should be the same as the reading order. You can use these steps to compare tab order and the reading order of each slide. Let's try our technique on another slide. Here is a nice slide with 3 blocks of text describing Wounded Warrior Project programs with 3 headers: Mind, Body, and Empowered. The titles and paragraphs are neatly arranged around the page. But when I use my tab key, I determined that my reading order is completely out of whack. I can fix this order in the selection pane. One common item often used on slides is columns. Retain proper reading order by using the PowerPoint column tool. Select the content and navigate to the toolbar and the paragraph pane. Select the column button and verify that the column button has been applied. So with a few mindful adjustments to our content, our PowerPoint presentations can be rendered correctly to everyone.